Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you received something different from what was listed. I'm talking here about wrong size, condition, or even authenticity issue, for example. So you can mark it as much as described, but you need proof. You should always act before confirming the order. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually mark item as much as described on Vinted app or website. So let's do this fast and easy as usual. You can access this from the app itself or the website is totally fine and doable. So if you are using Android or iOS, go through then download the app so you can access the inbox. For me, I'm just gonna use the website. I'm just gonna log in using my email address and password. Then I'm gonna go all the way to my inbox here. As for now, go through the completed order. Then look for any report or basically a report problem section. Go through it, then select not as described. Then upload clear comparison photos. Add details explaining the issue. Then submit your report. As for an important note, provide strong visual evidence, since blurry photos may delay the process. As for more tips, compare the listing photos with what you received. Be clear and specific in your explanation. As for a pro tip, the clearer your evidence, the faster Vinted can resolve your case. So keep it in mind. And that's the whole point here. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.